It is super engaging. Everyone is just fantastic.
For me, someone that likes to be connected to a lot of people that are doing cool things in the industry, there are a lot here, not just people looking to learn, but the people that are actually doing it.
The sessions are very well balanced in terms of paying attention to what needs to be done, but also having an eye towards the future.
The sessions are incredibly knowledgeable, full of amazing content.
What I liked about this whole summit is the fact that it's focused. From the vendor perspective to the sessions, they're all interconnected.
Being on stage and being able to talk near the keynote has been fantastic. It's gotten our name out into the market.
I actually really enjoy the diversity. We're seeing a lot of people talk at the strategic level and then go down to the technical level.
Most important is the networking and being able to identify what it is that we can do to help drive industry forward.
It's been great meeting with some new people, learning about different companies' objectives for the year and how they're kind of tackling them.